I'm getting hungry. I'm getting very hungry for boat meat. That's a big, juicy red boat. I'm gonna take a big bite of it.
Stay back. We're not gonna catch up. Wait, do you?
Yeah. I'm trying. I'm here in the wake. That helps a little bit. Yes, sweet. Gonna have a five-way collision out here.
Larry, there's nowhere I'm getting on.
There's no. I've got you already. My boat is now noshing on your boat. Taking little shark bites under the water line. You'll soon sink.
Okay. There you go.
I'm never gonna sink.
Don't move like out of the
Don't wiggle, okay?
He got the string. Larry got the string.
What's he gonna do with the string?
He lost her string.
He's going to
He's looping himself in.
Larry, you're actually not.
Grappling hook.
Please. Did you make this or?
I mean, I tied the rope on that anchor.
How about the length?
Yeah, I did that just so I could depth sound in the park where I usually go.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Well, I guess this style really depends on the, yeah. How those other guys go, man? Boat tugging
that way.
It's a bit tiring. Trying to find this rock, this jumping rock.
It's just straight ahead.
It's reeling me in like a fish. Look what I caught. Yeah.
We saw you.
Now you caught me. Oops, watch out for my paddle. Now I'll release you.
No, we need to hang on to your anchor so we can pull you like.
Well, that sounds all right to me.